Hello and welcome to my show. Hope you all are doing good. Today I'm back with another mandala design. So today we are making this 6-pointed mandala. I've taken three 12-inch dowel or sticks and I'll tie them together. Now I'm spacing them out to make a 6-pointed mandala. You have to hold it tight and go around every stick so that it forms an hexagon. And this was really difficult to do because the sticks were moving every time. So I promised myself to do a tool that will help me to fix the centers for all the mandalas. Before I do my next mandala, I'll surely make the tool. Now my center is done. Now I've marked 5 centimeters from the center and all the sticks, and with the off-white thread I'm going round till the mark all over the stick to the mark. This way I'll do on all the sticks. Now I've tied a black knot on top of that off-white thread, and on the next one I'll go near the center and go round it. Again for the next thread I'll go on top of that off-white thread, mark, and again down. I'll go round and then again on top of it. So you can see that 3 vertices are pointing out, and this is how I'll continue with the black one. See how it went up and down and formed almost a triangle kind of thing. It's not a perfect triangle though. After I finished with the black yarn, I started with all other shades of purple and pink. So I started with a darker shade, as you can see, and I'll move on to a more lighter ones later on. And I'll just do the same as I did with the black thread and repeat. See, I'm done with all of them. Now the ones that are left, all the other 3s, now I'll do the same thing, but this time I have to go through the triangle I already made. So I'll go above it first and then I'll make a round here, then I'll go under that design, and I'll tie it up here. I'll go around once again here. Again, I'll go up, go around once, and then pull the thread from below the design and go down on the top. So now you can see the black once it's done one time. Now I'll go on repeating, doing the same thing. Now because of the long thread, every time I was having problems. So you need a lot of patience to finish like this mandalas, but it's worth it. Once the thread becomes smaller, it's more easy to go about. I have never done this mandala before. 6 months before I have just discovered this kind of craft. I've never seen one before also, before that. But I just love this kind of craft. I'm a self-taught crafter, so whatever I see, I try to make. I see the designs and try to make on my own, whatever way I feel like it's right. So I'm still learning. Next time I'll surely make the tool. So now I'm repeating all the other colors, as you can see. So now I'll repeat with all the other shades. So I'm showing you here how I went up first, then down, again up and down, up and down. So this will be the design. Now I've completed with all the other shades. Now I thought that this color is looking little dull. So what I did is I highlighted with a bright sunshine yellow and made a border and immediately it elevated all the other colors. You will find out after I make the border. See, this is how it looks after giving the border. Now I will make a hexagon. I am going around all the sticks, and that will make a hexagon. I started with black, and then I'll go on with all the other colors, all the other shades that I've used. Now it's almost done. I'm just covering the portion that is left out from the stick with the off-white color, and I'm also tying a knot to hang it up. It's done now. This is how it looks. Hope you have liked it. If you liked the video, please give a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And please do subscribe to my channel for more such videos on craft. Thank you.